makeup looks so nice. Should I take it off? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, I'm wearing the same makeup as last week. That is because I'm shooting the exact same day. So I put this on in the morning when I do my video, and now at night I have to take it off. So I figured since I had a couple comments about skincare, I would show you how I take the makeup off and the skincare I use afterwards. So if you want to see how I do that and how to get all this off, please keep watching. To start off this whole video, I have this cute little, if you go to my Instagram, you can see they are sold at my company. I am selling them. You could buy one. They're so cute. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is a makeup removing balm. So when I do my skincare, because I try a lot of products, I make sure I use something that takes off my makeup and also a cleanser and other products. It's gonna seem like a lot. I don't do this every single day, but I will tell you when I use it and how often. Today, because I do have a lot of makeup on, I am gonna use a ton of products. You can skip a lot of steps. You can do whatever you wanna do. Just make sure you have a clean towel and your hair back. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is using the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I got this to begin with at with my points at Sephora for like 100 points, and it's great. Like, it's amazing. It literally melts your makeup right off. It's so good. I love it so much. So you're gonna see I'm gonna look a little scary, and that's okay. But so this is what it looks like inside. It's like a little green. It smells so nice. And I'm just gonna take a little bit on my fingers, and I'm gonna just literally put it right on my face. And I make a lot of weird faces. I'm warning you now, and I'm sorry. Also, I have contacts on, so it's gonna be a little harder for me to rub my eyes, but I'm gonna do the best that I can. And as you can see, my foundation is already coming off. Like, it just melts right off, literally. So I just take this in circles and it wipes everything off my face. It's about to get real scary up in here, guys. I'm so sorry. But I like this too because it has, not only does it have a really nice scent, but it also has, it's obviously an oil-based product. As far as I know, I don't actually know what the ingredients in the product is, but I do feel like it has an oil base because it is a balm. And I do like that too because it still keeps your face nice and hydrated. So this really does help with keeping my face hydrated, and I love it. And it's not super expensive. I have used the Clinique one, the Melt Away. I don't know if it's Melt Away, whatever it's called. It's the same type of idea. So I'm doing this not in front of a sink, so bear with me, guys. I'm doing this with some water, and I'm just getting fresh water every time I do this, so bear with me. I'm just gonna, this is not working. So I'm just gonna rinse it off my face. What the hell was I thinking? Okay, we good, we Gucci. So now I always use a clean towel. I have my clean towel here. As you can see, my makeup is literally melted off, which is amazing. So now I can go in on a partially clean face or makeup free face and cleanse my face. So I'm just gonna re-wet my face. What am I doing? We should have done this in front of the sink. The cleanser that I've been obsessed with lately is the Tarte C Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. This is such a good cleanser. My face feels so clean. It takes away dirt, oil. Not that I have like a super dirty or disgustingly oily face, which I should have started off with in this video. I have combination skin, like very normal combination skin. Like, it doesn't get oily, doesn't get too dry, it mainly gets dry in the winter. This takes all it, you can feel your face is clean with this, which is something that I'm super obsessed with when it comes to a cleanser. I need to know that my face is clean. That's what I want. I want my face to be clean. I want to feel clean, and I like that, especially because I try a lot of makeup products and I need something that's going to keep my face like feeling great and not feeling super dry afterwards or too, there's that feeling that I can't stand when certain cleansers, they feel like they've taken everything off your face. Like, my face feels so soft after this. Like, even when I'm going to put on my moisturizer afterwards, like, my face is still soft and it feels beautiful. So this is amazing. Plus, I have very sensitive skin, so a lot of cleansers I have an issue with. So I rub this in for a good 30 to 60 seconds. I really want a clean face. Like I said, I try a lot of makeup products, and I need something that's going to be really cleansing on the face, and this has been my favorite right now. It's very hydrating while it's taking away all the oils and anything on your face. So now I'm just going to wash this off. It's been about 30 seconds to a minute, and I'm going to go wash this off. Oh, okay, so now this is washed off my face. I'm not gonna dry my face yet because I have another step, which annoying, but I don't use this every single day, so this is not a part of my daily routine. I have talked about this in the past. This is the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. This is amazing. I was having like little tiny bumps on my face because I guess I wasn't exfoliating properly, and a lot of exfoliators cause my face to break out or become overly dry. This is an amazing product. This product here, I use it usually once, maybe twice a week. I think you can use it. It can be used daily. I do not use it daily, but I do love this. I bought the limited edition like super size. It's so good. So I'm just gonna, my face is already wet, so I'm just gonna leave that. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands. Do not use if you're allergic to strawberries. I know that's a given, but you never know. This is what it looks like. It has a little like exfoliating, like, you know, those little like pearls in it, those little like, they have like the little granules in there usually in a lot of exfoliators. This one I love because I feel them, they're there, and then they evaporate, which I like they melt into your skin instead of like ripping your skin or breaking your skin. A lot of exfoliators, they break your skin, which that is the worst experience ever. This does not cause you to become dry, and it gets rid of anything that might be on your face. Like I said, I will repeat this again. I use a ton of makeup. I try a lot of products. I have to be really careful with my skin because I don't want to have any extra breakouts or any filled pores. So this is my go-to face like exfoliator, and again, I use it once to twice a week depending how much makeup I've been wearing that week. Like, this refines your skin. It's very gentle to the skin. So again, somebody with sensitive skin like me would benefit from a product like this. With all these products, you're gonna want to really rub them into the skin. You don't want to half-ass anything with your skin. That just doesn't make sense, and it's not good for you. So once these are more than like almost completely melted away, I will wash this off, and my face will come out feeling like beautiful, like soft, clean, and I love the clean feeling. So now I'm taking my clean towel and I'm patting my face dry. I don't like to rub my face dry. I just like to pat it dry. I know you can't hear me behind the towel, but I just like to pat it dry so my face feels great. And right now my face, it doesn't feel dry, doesn't feel flaky, nothing. It feels completely soft. Like, I wish you could feel me through the screen. I wish you could, because it's so soft and my face feels so nice, and so nice. That feeling of like a perfectly cleansed face. Usually I also take it down the face. I'm having a little trouble here with this vid, so that is the reason we're not taking it down the neck. We don't want to have any spillage here, but usually I'll take it all the way down my neck. You can even see on my skin, like, it doesn't look dull. A lot of skin products will cause your face, after you wash your face, to look completely dull. My face does not look dull. Like, obviously I'm pale, I can see that, and I have some under eye bags, but I am not dull. The next thing I usually do is I take this Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG. I don't know why it's the longest name ever, but this is my go-to product. My cousin recommended this to me, and she like saved my life. My under eyes were so much darker and puffier, and now like my under eyes don't look as discolored as they used to. Like, they're still a little discolored, but honestly, that can also be genetics too. But there's a huge difference from what my under eye used to look like to what it looks like now. So I take a little bit out of the bottle, and it's so cheap. That I forgot to mention that part. It's so cheap, but so good. So I put a little bit on my finger right here. You don't need a lot. I rub it in and I apply under the eye. So first I rub it in. I put a little on my eyelids, but I don't go overboard on the eyelids. But I rub it in where it's not feeling super wet anymore. And then I pat it into the skin. And now it feels tacky. I love that feeling, which sounds ridiculous, but I love it in a primer. I love it in like a serum. I love that tacky, like, beautiful feeling. I love that feeling. It's so nice. So now, while that just sits for a little bit, I'm going to put my moisturizer. The moisturizer I am completely obsessed with, I use all the time, is the Hendrickson C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This is so amazing. It is a source of vitamin C, which is great for your skin because vitamin C, we all know, lightens, brightens, and tightens your face. Who doesn't want that? I love that. Like, I'm 26 years old. I have pretty good skin. I can't complain. I find vitamin C has made a huge difference in my life. I also have a vitamin C serum, which I will show you. This is the Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum that I use every morning. I don't use it at night. I just use it in the morning. I love this. It's an all-natural product. This is amazing. So I use that as well. But for nighttime, I just use my Hendrickson cream. Smells like orange, what's that called? Creamsicle, is that what that's called? So I just put some on the face and I rub it in. Oh, my face feels so nice. So this I love too because it doesn't leave your skin feeling like super tacky for a long time. Like it might feel a little tacky to begin with, but it doesn't feel like horribly tacky for like a long time. So I rub this in, take it down my neck because vitamin C on the neck is useful. And then I always press into the skin. I do that with primers too, so it just helps. Like, I don't know if that actually does anything, but I feel like when I learned a lot about skincare and a lot about like skin types, it always said, like, the teachers always said, like, you know, if you push it into the skin, it helps like move around your cells and like it helps your face. I don't know if that's the truth. I do that because that's what I was taught and that's what I love. The next thing I'm going to be using, which is my last product for my face, is the Hendrickson Banana Bright eye cream. I love this eye cream. I put it on top of this caffeine solution. I only take a little bit, like just literally the tiniest bit. You can barely see it. And I just put a little bit on top. This is so good for like your under eye area. It brightens so nicely. Feels great on the skin. This is all part of their like Hendrickson's like vitamin C line. I haven't used their Truth Serum, but I also heard really good things about it. So I'm just going to pat this into the skin as well. And this is what my skincare looks like. So as you can tell, looking at my face, like it doesn't look, like I said before, it doesn't look dull, doesn't look dry. Like these are the products that are like my go-to right now. I always change up my products every once in a while. Like I'll change a couple things around because realistically, if you keep the same products all the time, your skin's gonna just get used to them and it's not gonna work anymore. So I've been like changing up products every once in a while, but right now, these are my go-to. I love my cleanser, I love my exfoliator, and I love my serum and my creams, and I'm obsessed with them, and I don't know if you care about that. This is what I do to take off all my makeup. This is my normal routine at night, excluding the exfoliator every couple days. I also have a morning routine, which is very similar, just adding in the vitamin C and no exfoliator, obviously, for the morning. And yeah, so this is what I do to take off my makeup. This is how it looks at the end. If you have any suggestions or any products that you like even more that maybe I should try out, please let me know. I love taking suggestions, especially if you have like sensitive skin and you know good products that aren't going to cause you to have reactions or breakouts. I have a lot of problems with reactions to skin products. That's why I don't try too many new ones. I try to stick with the ones I know. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please comment down below and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.